Welcome to JH. Today, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the VSeeBox v3 Plus, because apparently, the factory settings just aren't adventurous enough for you. To get started, you'll need to enable developer options. Navigate your way through the device settings menu until you find device preferences, or whatever synonym your box decided to use today, and select About. Now, scroll down to the build number and start clicking that OK button on your remote 7 or 8 times. Keep going until a message pops up telling you that you're officially a developer. Congratulations, I'm sure Silicon Valley will be calling any minute now. Once you've achieved your new professional status, head back one menu level to find that shiny new developer options entry. Next, we need to install a downloader application, so head over to the official Google Play Store on your VSeeBox. Search for a file management downloader, like the one from AFTV News, and get it installed. Now comes the part where we tell the system to lower its guard. Go back to Settings, hit Developer Options, and enable application installs from unknown sources specifically for your downloader app. Because nothing says security like letting your device accept candy from strangers. With the gates wide open, you can finally sideload the applications you actually want. Open up your downloader app and use the built-in browser to visit sites that offer direct download links or APKs for your favorite streaming services. It's a simple process that opens up a world of content, assuming you don't accidentally download a virus that gains sentience. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.